So, as a new YouTuber, uploading your videos on public, does it push your videos to the right audience or making your viewers scam to get dropped down? Then these are the questions that every YouTubers need to ask. Now, I found out that uploading my videos on public is actually making my videos not to get to the right audience. So this is something that I've been struggling for a couple of days, getting low views on my YouTube channel, and to you my experience on what actually putting my YouTube videos on the right audience. So if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, I'm great, and in this channel I share tips that will help you to grow as a new YouTuber. Although you may be struggling with your YouTube channel, you are not seeing the right result, then this particular video will actually put you through on how you can start getting views on your YouTube channel and also get your subscriber count on your channel. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to join this community by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So if you are struggling like me, who have been struggling for a few months now how to grow my YouTube channel, then I think this is the right way we can start growing together. Now, I make some of my research on how to upload videos on YouTube in order for my video to get to the right audience. Because the method that I've been uploading my videos, I think that YouTube algorithm is not actually pushing my videos to the right audience. So after my research, I found out that the method that I'm using in publishing my videos are not getting to the right audience. YouTube algorithm is not pushing my videos to the people that I'm actually making these videos for. So after several of my research, I found out a method that is going to work for new YouTubers. So if you're a new YouTuber, you are welcome on this video. We are here to grow together, and we are here to share our tips and struggle on how we can succeed on this platform. So if you have anything, if you have any challenge that you're actually bothering you on how you can grow your social media like YouTube channel, then this is the right platform where you can learn how to grow your YouTube channel. I have videos. I'm making a 30 days YouTube growth challenge where you can learn how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch. And if you are struggling to grow your YouTube channel, then go to my video and start learning how you can grow your YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, let me tell you how you can start uploading your videos on a right way. We all know that every new YouTubers will always like to publish their videos. Now, after filming yourself and editing your videos, you will just go straight and upload your videos. Now, don't get me wrong. I want you to understand that as a new YouTuber, YouTube have to process your videos in order to know the kind of content that is in your videos. Now, if you upload your videos on public, it will not give the YouTube algorithm to, to process your videos and push your videos to the right audience. Now, that is why we as a new YouTubers, we keep on struggling, not knowing that uploading our videos on public is making our videos not to get to the right audience. Now, what method is it going to work? What method that will work for us as a new YouTubers? That is the method I'm about to share with you. And if you are still enjoying this video, please make sure you share this video to the new YouTuber that are actually struggling to grow their YouTube. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that. And don't forget to check some of my videos that I'm doing a 30 days YouTube growth challenge where new YouTubers will learn how to grow their YouTube channel. And those that are actually struggling on their YouTube channel will also learn from those videos. So the videos are already in the description of this video. You can go and check them. And another one is up here. You can check those videos. They will be helpful and teach you how you can grow and learn some of the mistakes that you need to avoid as a new YouTuber. Now, after several of my research and uploading videos on YouTube channel, not getting views, this method is actually what is actually working for me. So what is this method? This method is uploading your videos on schedule. So I started using schedule in 2 days time, uploading my videos, and I found that everything about my YouTube channel is actually going to the right audience that I'm setting my videos for. Because My video is all about how new YouTubers are going to grow their YouTube channel the way it will be simple and easy for them. Now, for those of you that may not understand what schedule is all about, now putting your videos on schedule will help the YouTube algorithm to understand about your content and also analyze your YouTube channel and push your videos to the right audience. We all know that as a new YouTubers, the next thing that comes to your mind after creating or editing your videos is to put your videos on public. Now, this method is actually killing all your view scams. If your video was to reach to a wider audience, YouTube will not understand the content of your videos. And this method will not allow YouTube to analyze your videos and push your videos to the right audience. Now, this method that I'm showing you by scheduling your videos will help YouTube algorithm and also help your channel for YouTube to analyze your videos and also analyze your channel by knowing the keyword and the tags that are on your videos. Now, I will beg you as a new YouTuber to start putting your videos on schedule so that whenever you upload your videos, it will give YouTube algorithm the time to analyze your videos and then push your videos to the right audience. So if you find this video informative and you actually want to join my community that will grow together, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. With that, it will help my channel and also you to get to the right audience who are actually struggling to grow their YouTube channel like you and I. So thank you for watching this video. See you in another video. As you support me,